we struggling to charge our car? This is not doing anything and not charging. Yeah. That's in there. Fast charging, but it doesn't want to work. That's one annoying thing about having an electric car. We've noticed this quite a bit when you're trying to charge. When you charge from home it's fine, but when you're trying to charge from machines like this, fast charging supermarkets, there's a 50-50 chance they will work. So if you only got like 30% charge, or is it actually working now?
Yeah, I think it is.
It's working.
Yeah.
But we've been standing here like 20 minutes trying to get it to work, but now it's actually working. It's like it does take a while to connect. Well, that's just that making a noise. Thank God.
It's saying that it's charged 0%.
And it doesn't want to come out.
No,
Look.
this is the
This is a really nightmare.
Yeah. Right. Says by here now. Energy 0, minute 0, cost.
Can you press stop?
Yeah, you hit stop. Says that it sent the message. And then they just go back to saying...
Can you press emergency stop and get it out? Yeah. Yeah.
You see if it's unlocked now?
I don't know how to unlock it. It's a bit...
Push the thing in.
Yeah, can you do it? Seriously? It should come out like... How are you supposed to have an electric car do this shit all the time? Can you try ringing again?
I hope this.
Push in. It's like it's... Try ringing again, Tom.
It says the phone lines are dead.
Well, fire brigade then.
What the fire brigade going to do?
How are we supposed to get home? I have to get back to school to get Demi. Ridiculous. It's eventually out. How can it take so long to get out like? It's ridiculous.